Alright guys, footage is going to be absolute ass, but tow truck is here to pick up the pile of crap. I'm going to drive it around. Alright baby. If God will let my foot get in the damn thing. There we go. Got the title in my pocket. Oh, fired right up. What a champ. Keep the RPMs nice and low. Just driving to her deathbed. All right. Ignition's a little sticky, you might have to turn the key around. It's gonna sound stupid, but if the ignition won't turn, pull it out, flip it over, and put it back in.
That's what I do.
Alright. The car's like, no, don't scrap me. There it goes. Drives to the deathbed. There she goes. Sold to Pedal Auto Auctions. This thing is probably gonna become like a washing machine or something. The only thing valuable in it is the battery, and the tires are still good. And the dash isn't cracked, so if somebody needs a 96 Cavalier dash where it's completely intact, got one. Seats are good, headliner's good. But that's it. It's got a new exhaust system on it too, so there's still some good parts left. Trunk lid doesn't have any rust. Goodbye, old friend. You served me well for 7 years. Alright guys, video is going to be crappy for a second because I'm holding the jump pack that I just bought. It's only meant for V6 engines, by the way, in my hands. And there's the Jeep. It was parked here Christmas, so it's been sitting 2 months, pretty much. Well, a little over a month. And clicking here is key tapping against the phone. Alright. Probably locked. Yep. Do we have dome lights or anything of any kind? Oh no, she is stone cold dead. No dome lights, no nothing. That's fine. Hood's got a couple inches of snow on it. Oh, hey, my Bluetooth adapter's still plugged in there. Tires all look like tires, so that's nice. Get under here and check the fluids. I just had brand new hood struts put on not long before I decided to not own this vehicle anymore. And clear out a little bit of the hood. Ah, yes. Good old 4.7. Can't wait until it throws a rocker. Check the coolant, make sure it's not ice. It's brand new coolant, so it shouldn't be, and it's nice and full. And pull the dipstick on the oil. See what we got there. I think it's just about due for its 3,000 mile oil change. She's full. That's good. And make sure the trans has something in her. Yep, she's good. It's not the proper way to check it, but at least I know there's fluid in there. Alright. See if I can do this one-handed. And test to see whether or not that jump pack's, actually charged. Positive to positive. Negative to meant for V6. These are some short ass jump leads on this thing. Like super short. So I hope that it works. I also didn't read the instructions. So I don't know if it's just on by default or not. I didn't hear any clicking. So let's see if we have lights or not. Ah, we got a little bit of dome lightage. Oh, the alarm. One second. Battery is very dead. Can you stop? Seriously. Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna let that dead jump pack sit on there for a little while. Because if I had to guess, it's gonna need a minute. This thing's a big ass engine. The jump pack is only meant for V6s. It's only like a 600 cranking amp jump pack. And it's probably already dead, to be honest. I might have to go get the Focus. I don't know. Oh man, this battery's no good. It's bulged out on the sides. The battery swelled up. So I think this battery might need to be replaced. And if that's the case, that genuinely sucks. I don't want to spend $600 or $200 on a brand new battery, although it's going to need it anyways. And hopefully the battery doesn't explode. Just out of curiosity. And see if it's got enough go-go in her. What's the voltage reading? Oh, just barely. Come on, oil pressure. She cranked super slow, but she did fire up. So that's awesome. Man, did I miss that Flowmaster exhaust. Alright, jump pack. Making some horrible noises from the power steering pump that's dead. I gotta put the phone down for a second. Alright, jumper pack's in the Focus. Listen to that 4.7 liter Mopar rumble. Oh man, I missed you. Hardcore. Taillights are working good. It cranked so slowly, I can't believe it started. That was over a month of below freezing temperatures. It was -3 degrees yesterday, and the high right now is 19 degrees Fahrenheit. I did the cold start of the Focus when it was 9 degrees. So, man, she's a beast. That battery's toast. Probably gonna need to be replaced. But she fired up and sit inside of her. It's gonna have to run for a very long time. Oh yeah, it's nice in here. 1 second, I gotta put the phone down. Alright. Wow. So she's at 202,833 miles. Got just under a half tank of gas. Battery's charging at 14.5 volts. Make sure the lights are off. Sunroof doesn't look like it leaked while we were gone. That's nice. Still have all of my receipts in there for all the work done to this thing over the years. Wish the heated seats worked. I really do. Those would be great right about now, considering I'm going to let this thing idle for probably close to an hour just to get that battery charged up. Oh, you shouldn't do that to your wipers. You'll break them. But she's working and running good. Got about 47 pounds of oil pressure. 103 miles to empty. If it's gonna focus on it. Come on, focus. Focus? Phone doesn't want to focus. 102 miles to empty. Dude, please, for the love of God, focus. Alright. Oh yeah, I could tell it was dead. It killed the elapsed time. 780 miles to service, so yeah, it's about due for its oil change. This says 23 degrees, but I don't think it's accurate. We're gonna let this big old V8 warm up for a while. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Comments, likes, suggestions, you know where to put them. And I'll do my best to do it. So, let me see here. Date of next service, 2/21 at 203,000 miles. Well, it's about there. So, looks like they used 1030. I don't think I got the good stuff in it, but I know this has Lucas and Hyperlube in the crank. This was back when I had the Lucas and the Hyperlube in the crankcase. So it was pretty darn thick right now. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.